Tech fam! Welcome back to Lara Tech. Today we will explore incredible houses that are not only innovative but also affordable. Imagine owning a modern home built just for you, all for under $100,000. Sounds unbelievable, right? Let's dive in. 3D printing technology has taken the construction industry by storm. It uses a special printer to create homes layer by layer. This method is much faster and cheaper than traditional building methods. With 3D printing, we can reduce construction time significantly. Some homes can be built in just a few days. This speed allows people to move into their new homes much sooner than they would with conventional building techniques. One of the most remarkable aspects of 3D printed homes is their design flexibility. These homes can be made in various shapes and sizes, allowing for unique and personalized living spaces. Whether you want a cozy tiny home or a larger family house, 3D printing can meet your needs. The designs often include modern features like open floor plans and eco-friendly materials, making them a smart choice for the future. Now let's look at some amazing examples of 3D printed homes available for under $100,000. Imagine having a home that's both affordable and stylish. Next, we have a charming two-bedroom house in New York for only $85,000. This home boasts a bright and airy interior, perfect for small families or first-time buyers. The efficient design means lower energy bills, saving you money each month. Plus, it has a lovely outdoor space where you can relax and enjoy nature. In addition to affordability, these homes are built to last. 3D printed structures are strong and durable. They can withstand various weather conditions, making them a safe and reliable choice. Many companies use sustainable materials, ensuring that these homes are not just good for your wallet but also for the planet. Owning a 3D printed home means you are investing in a more sustainable future. Another fantastic option is a modern 3D printed studio apartment in California, priced at $75,000. This compact living space is perfect for those who love minimalism. It features smart storage solutions and a sleek design, making it both functional and stylish. This home shows that you don't need a lot of space to live well. So why consider a 3D printed home? Beyond the affordability and modern design, these homes can help solve the housing crisis in many areas. With rising home prices, 3D printing offers a practical solution to provide affordable housing for everyone. This technology can help more people achieve the dream of homeownership. As we wrap up, 3D printed homes are truly remarkable. They offer unique designs, affordability, and sustainability. With prices under $100,000, these homes are changing the way we think about housing. If you're considering a new home, why not explore the incredible world of 3D printed houses? You might just find the perfect place to call home. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.